What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today I got a unboxing for you. I've been waiting for these for a while. I know you guys are probably wondering what in the world could it be, but I can't wait to share with you guys what new mod I got for the car. I've been waiting for these for a minute, but I gotta run to the store right now. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So you know what, guys, I haven't did a cold start in a while, some flybys. I'm gonna do that. So just came from the store and I wanted to come over here by my spot because I wanted to take a look at the car. But guys, it is crazy how far this car has came by just setting goals, going after them and accomplish them, and not giving up on your goals. But I gotta say, the advanced RGD2s are probably my favorite wheel because it has that nice concave look to it. It's just perfect. Gotta love it. Well, guys, time to go home and go see what I have to unbox. Let's head home. I can't wait to share this moment with you guys. I've been waiting for this part for a while, but let's head home. But as you guys seen in the transformation video, having a vision of everything that I wanted to do for this car and having everything come to life really make this car stand out a lot. All right, guys, so I finally made it home. I'm super excited to share this part with you guys, but first let me talk to you guys about this part. So guys, when you guys see this part, I'm not even going to tell you guys the price. So this is a original Mugen part from Mugen, like the wing, rear lip, and side skirts. So let me show you guys. So this is the box. So some of you guys recently seen my transformation video, and you guys seen this similar box where it has Mugen, made in Japan. And I know you guys are probably wondering, I did the rear lip, side skirts, wing. What in the world could this be from Mugen? So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So as you guys get in the box, and there's two of these guys, but I know you guys can probably see it a little bit. What? Does that say Mugen? But I know you guys are probably wondering, what is this? What could this be? Oh man, I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Let me get the scissors because I'm struggling over here. Oh, it feels like Christmas, guys. It feels like getting a brand new car part at the beginning. Look at that. Can you guys guess what it is? Yes, guys. What is these? 4 bolts? What the 4 bolts could be? There we go, guys. That's what they are. Semi-bucket seats, Mugen MSGs. And you know it's actually from Mugen because all of the instructions have this logo, the part number, and whatever the name of the part is, and they have it always The instructions are always in Japanese. So, but they make really good instructions. So even if you don't understand it, they have really good pictures. So let's take all of this out. Oh man, I'm super excited, man. Oof, man, you gotta love quality parts, but so like, oh man, these things are beautiful, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. I'm gonna share with you guys what's in the package. As it says, it's upside down, but it says Recaro. Some big bolsters. Recaro and Mugen together. Oh man, these are gonna look tough. If you guys already noticed, or you guys been watching the videos, these look exactly like or similar to the Type R seats and the GT350 seats. So if you guys think about these seats, I'm gonna stand them up for you guys. So you just spin this. It's like it's kind of like a rotary powered triangle right here, which kind of is unique. So you just spin this. So here are the seats. This is how they look. So it looks like that. Has like a little, of course it's like a semi-bucket seat, but up here you have the logo, Mugen, and you have Recaro. And as you guys can see, the rear stitching goes all the way from the top, all the way down on the sides, all the way from the sides. It looks dope. So these are gonna look real nice. Looks pretty dope. And if you guys don't know, these are the Mugen power colors, white, red, and it's kind of like a bronze gold color. Real nice, real nice. So rear stitching down here. Also, I want to let you guys know, all of this is Alcantara. So Alcantara on the sides, up here Alcantara, all back here is Alcantara, bottom embroidery is Alcantara. Here has like these little kind of like little dots in them. Looks real nice. All the way in the middle padding. So even on the back, if you guys didn't know, it has the Mugen logo, and it's all Alcantara on the back, guys. Real nice. And they have like a little Recaro. This is the recline to seat forward. You just pull up on this and it goes forward. So real nice. The reason why I went with this seat, not just because it says Mugen, but I wanted to go with a seat that is similar to how the Type R seats are, because I sat in the Type R before. It's just like the Type R with the bolsters right here, the side pieces right here, and the comfort for the legs right here. So I really love how the Type R seats felt with the red and everything. Got the little pieces right there, and I love how it feels in the GT350. So it's similar, but it says GT350 up there, and it has Recaro in the middle just like that. Same kind of design right here, and same amount of bolsters again. So I definitely wanted to get these seats. I was so excited. And guys, let's talk about the price, because I got these for a killer deal. I'm gonna show you guys the story. So I saw these seats a while ago and I was like, damn, these seats will look amazing for the interior of the car. But what has been killing me is the freaking price. The price, I'm not even gonna say the price on video. I'm just gonna tell you guys, go to the description and I'm gonna post links on the prices where you can find these, right? So just know it's like boost prices up there. Just I'm just gonna say that. But if you guys want to see the prices, link in the description is gonna be with a couple links of where you can get them. Guys, I would say this: if there's something that you guys want and it's pricey, right, there's some steps you gotta follow. Of course, you guys gotta be smart about how you spend your money, and you gotta make sure you do your research. So money management is one, and making sure you do your research is number two, right? That is very important. Money management is very important, guys. That's how I was able to, of course, working my butt off at work, networking, talking to people, etc. But money management is key, because as soon as you get your money, you know there's a million things in this world you can get, and they're so super expensive. You can blow your whole money in seconds. Everyone knows that. But you guys gotta be smart on how you spend your money. So I would say money management is key, and of course, do not blow all your money. Be smart about how you spend your money, guys. But what I did was this. So money management is key, and research. Research, what I mean by research is look online on where you could buy the part. If you could buy them used, I know a lot of people don't like to buy them used. Me personally, I don't like buying parts used. Buying them used or looking online on different websites, I would say periodically, maybe every day. So that's what I did with these. I looked on websites every single day. I bought these from Right Hand Drive Japan. There was a week coming up, and I guess they was having a sale. And guess what? For 2 seats, guys, I saved over $1,000. Yes, guys, over $1,000. This is why it's important to be smart of money management, and you gotta do your research, and you gotta look online, guys. Look online. If there's something that you want, especially it's basic. So guys, if you want a house, right? You see this beautiful house that you want, right? But no one's buying this house, right? And the price is ridiculous. You're like, man, this house should not be worth this, right? And no one's buying this house. Guess what's gonna happen to that house? The price is gonna drop in this house because no one's gonna buy the house, right? The price is gonna go do, and it's gonna get close to one of your price point, right? But you have to keep an eye on the market on when that price comes down to where you want it to be, and then that's when you know you gotta go in there and be like, boom. That's what happened to basically with these seats. So different scenarios. Guys, make sure anything that you do, make sure anything you guys do your research. Look online. Do not just go, okay, I got to this point and be like, should I do it, should I not do it? Just wait it out a little bit and see what you can find. Talk to people. I've talked to different companies that were online selling these seats as well, and asking them, hey, do you guys have them in stock? What are you willing to sell it to me for? You guys kind of have to like bargain or hustle. Talk to these people that's selling these, of course. Quality but pricey parts out there. So in this world, you gotta network, hustle. That's like 2 keys right there. Network, hustle, money management. You gotta be on top of it. So guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. If y'all see me out here grinding, you guys can do it too. But I'm happy to be able to share this journey with you guys, inspire, motivate you guys, to show you guys, like, look, if I'm doing it, you can go out here and get it too and make it happen, because there's plenty enough for everyone. How these seats came out, I'm gonna show you guys the size of how it looks on the side, just like that, with the logo. And then I'm gonna show you the back, full Alcantara, the Mugen logo. Real nice, guys, real nice. So video coming soon of the install, guys. Can't wait to share it with you guys, but I'm happy about this. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for the past videos, for smashing the like button and sharing the videos and showing so much love and support. And I love the comments, guys. Thank you for showing so much love and support. And the transformation video, you guys have been showing some inspiring words, and I want to say thank you, guys. But of course, I'm gonna keep saying it in every video, I'm gonna need you guys' help. If you guys can, even with this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos, because it will definitely help the channel and making the process quicker with boosting the car. And comment below, guys. I want to know, do you guys want me to supercharge the car, or do you guys want to go turbo? But like I said in the last, when I supercharge or boost the car, guys, I'm gonna do it right. Like, I'm not just gonna put the turbo kit or supercharger kit on and that's it. It's gonna be looking amazing on the damn. But I need you guys' help. Smashing the like buttons and sharing the videos really help the channel. Subscribing to the channel really helps the channel overall, and it will help me help you guys share this experience with you guys, speed up the process. So guys, thank you guys for everything. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.